36 degrees today in Shëngjin, a seaside town that has transformed into one of Albania's most popular summer escapes. The streets are alive with movement, cafes overflow with laughter, and the air carries the scent of grilled fish from the taverns along the waterfront. Once a quiet coastal town, Shëngjin now welcomes thousands of visitors each summer, drawn by its wide sandy beaches, affordable prices, and vibrant atmosphere. As we ride through the town, you can feel the energy everywhere. Families setting up umbrellas on the beach, young travelers searching for music and nightlife, locals welcoming guests with warm hospitality. But soon we leave the bustle behind, the engine echoing against the hills as road signs point us toward Velipojë and Shëngjin. The climb is gentle at first, then steeper, with every turn revealing more of the Adriatic coast. The sound of traffic fades, replaced by the rush of wind and the smell of the sea. This is where the contrast appears: Shëngjin, lively and full of movement, and Velipojë, known for its quiet charm, long untouched beaches, and natural beauty. The asphalt is brand new, smooth and perfect for riding. Every curve opens up to a breathtaking view, cliffs dropping steeply into the sea on one side, rugged hills on the other. It feels like the kind of road built for travelers, a hidden ribbon of adventure that few outside Albania even know exists. Albania's coastline is still one of Europe's best-kept secrets. While Croatia and Greece often steal the spotlight, here you find the same turquoise waters, the same Mediterranean sun, but at a fraction of the cost. More importantly, you find authenticity, fishing villages where locals mend their nets, quiet stretches of sand with no hotels in sight, and roads like this that make you feel part of something undiscovered. Every summer, this coast transforms into a stage for festivals like UNUM, where electronic beats echo through the night, and thousands of music lovers dance barefoot on the sand. For a moment, this quiet corner of Albania becomes an international meeting point. Locals, tourists, artists, and dreamers all sharing the same horizon. As we continue along the road, the ride itself feels like part of the story. The salty air, the rhythm of the curves, the endless horizon ahead, it all blends into an experience that is more than travel. It is freedom. Every rider knows this feeling, the sense that the journey matters as much, if not more, than the destination. We slow down and pull over for a moment, letting the bikes rest as the waves crash softly below. The view stretches endlessly, the sea shimmering under the sun. We take photos, of course, but mostly we just breathe. pauses are what make the trip unforgettable moments of silence that let the land speak for itself. From Shëngjin to Velipojë, this ride is more than a connection between two towns. It is a window into the spirit of northern Albania. Raw, beautiful, and full of promise, this coastline shows why Albania is becoming one of Europe's must-visit destinations. This is more than just a road, it is an invitation. An invitation to explore, to discover, and to understand why Albania will not remain a secret for long.